Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the Abaqus explosion over the composite panel, which is made by two aluminum layer at the top and the bottom surface, and the core is thermoplastic polyurethane or TPU. The TPU is a material to absorb the energy from blast impact or the other dynamic phenomenon, and we use two aluminum layer at the top and the bottom here. And let me to check the plot contour and deform shape. This is the deformation or stress. This is a stress which is come from the blast load, and this is the deformation. See, this is a deformation. Okay, and now let me use you to make a whole model, because this is a 1/4 of the model because of the symmetry. Now let me to replace it. You can see the failure which happened for the aluminium, and we can see the Johnson hook damage for this dynamic failure, and this is the damage propagation. See the damage which happened during the blast. We can check this aluminum layer separately. See the failure. Okay, and also we can check the stress for it. The displacement or everything. And now let's replace aluminium top, the stress, sorry, the damage. This is the damage. And now let me to replace the thermoplastic polyurethane. This is a thermoplastic polyurethane. Let me click on this to observe the stress. Then the damage, ductile damage, you can see the damage happen here. And the center, the displacement for everything, and also for instance the reaction force diagram, the peak, and after that we have the zero between the failure happen for the composite panel. So if you need this tutorial to modeling aluminium air blast load thermoplastic polyurethane with damage, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, or search it in the search section of the website, and then you will find it. Then click on the title or blue sign, and then you will have short explanations about the geometry and assembly, the introduction, material method, step interaction, load, and mesh, and then the result as figures. You can provide CA, INP, and English video file and the paper related to this work for 26 euros. You can share through a PayPal account, a Master or Visa card. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.